So, for this mini project, we adapted a mixed method approach combining both qualitative and quantitative data to provide a more comprehensive understanding. Firstly, we conducted a questionnaire with 25 participants. The survey was based on writing motivation scale and used a 5 point Stacker scale. It should be noted that the scale coding exported from JISC online surveys was retained, whereby 1 equals strongly agree, 5 equals strongly disagree. In addition to the interview questionnaire, we conducted 9 semi-structured interviewees. These were audio recorded and using thematic analysis. Okay, moving on to the finding of writing skills. The most positive feedback stemmed from the idea generation and organization. As you can see in the left-hand bar chart, um, the vast majority of participants agree or strongly disagree uh, that AI helps them to get started. Similarly, for language and grammar shown on the right hand side, there was a strongly agreement that AI improves academic vocabulary. However, as you can see here, the standard deviation was higher, indicating that some students might see more significant benefit than others in this area. Before dividing into the results, we check the internal reliability of our own scales. The writing subscales showed strongly reliability, whereas the attitude subscales falls just below the conventional thresh, threshold. To sum up the question, quantitative data, students are happy to use AI as a digital partner for brainstorming, but they remain cautious about trusting it to edit their works. Moving on to motivation, we again see the general positive trend. On the right hand side, AI appears to reduce writing stress, which was the most positively read aspect. Moreover, participants also repeated being more willing to start writing tasks and felt more engaged. However, confidence in their own writing shows less positive result. As you can see here, oh, sorry. They may suggest that while AI helps with the process, they does not necessarily strengthen students' self-confidence. Uh, on the right-hand side, another notable point is that no participant select strongly disagree for motivation items, reinforcing the overall positive impact. In terms of tool usage, most participants reported using ChatGPT, followed by Grammarly and Gemini. As for reliability section, it was acceptable as the statistic result 0.812 is higher than threshold 7. Moving on to the finding of um, interview with 9 participants, which indicates the actual human experience. We identify 5 core themes, including 3 of which saw 100% agreement among the interviewees. Firstly, AI AI acts as a powerful safety net. The qualitative result reveals that AI eliminates blank page anxiety. It helped them initiate writing. Furthermore, in the second point, they all noted that AI provides a safer environment. for language confidence, which means that AI is non judgmental, uh, allowing students to experiment with academic style without fear and embarrassment. However, the convenience creates a dependency, agency tension. 8 out of 9 participants worry that AI might be eroding their authorship. We can see a great contrast in the key difference. While Ethan mentioned argues that depending on something is not bad, Tina shows the deep fears of losing trust on their own in their own thinking. Okay. This tension extends to academic integrity, where students are caught between strict compliance, compliance like Zoe, to use AI detector to pass Trinity. Okay. Finally, the most important point is the students are becoming very aware of AI limitation. They recognize that while AI can polish grammar, it often um, hallucinate or generalize. As participant 8 mentioned, AI can improve the writing but not the quality of argument. This shows that the students will still value their own intellectual contribution.